Hello everyone. Today's session is about file and folder sharing and notification. There are two different ways to start sharing a file, and then this is about personal sharing. So you can right click and say share, or you can use the hover over icon to start the sharing. So now let's specify a user to receive the share, and then you can drop a node to the receiver. So this is the user who initiates the sharing and then send it to the receiver. So you can set the expiration time, set the the permission, and whether or not you want to receive the upload download notification. As you can see here, the user receives the share and receives the share via a cloud delivery, and he opens it up and it needs to log in. So this user is a guest user, not a normal user. So you can share something with a guest user who's not in on your account. As you can see here, it says share by Jerry, right? The picture, the PNG file we just shared. So now you can click the download icon to start the download. So now the receiver has received the file and then started a download. As you can see here, the file is in the download list. So what we are going to do next is we're going to check the download notification. So let's see, the download notification and upload notification is checked for this specific user. So now we are going to see and get the notification, and as you can see, the notification comes in and it notified us that the receiver has downloaded the file. So now let's do another experiment. So this time we're going to share a folder, and we're going to share the folder with the same user. And we can also drop a note for the user. So this time we're going to give the user full permission, so the user can upload some files. As we are talking here that the share invitation came in, so we are going to click on it. And we will need to log in. So we already logged in, so we will just click on the browser entry to open it up, and it's a shared folder with empty content, so we will be the first one. So this receiver will be the first one to drop some files into it. So let's see. So he can pick some files. So we do all this demonstration from one single machine, so we can record the session, but in reality, these things will be done from multiple devices from multiple different users. So we are using one single PC and multiple web browsers to simulate the multiple user experience. So we can wait a little bit, and then I think the notification will come in as well. So now we are going to do another way, another type of sharing, which is called a team share, a team folder. The team folder can only be initiated from the administrator, and then the administrator can assign owner for the team folder, so he can pass the ownership to other people. The team folder is, from a concept level, it's more like a network share in a traditional sense. And then it's the guest user cannot participate in the team folder because team folder is only for the internal people. But the admin can also share the same folder with external people. So selectively, the folder can be participated by both internal people here and external people here. So now this is a shared team folder and also a shared folder in between the an external user and then the administrator here. So now all of the people, the internal people, the administrator, the external people can all see the files and folders for this team folder, and then they can also receive um, notifications once they make changes to the folder. So what we are going to do next is to upload some files to the shared folder. So I have 3 different browsers here, and then each browser represents a user, and then I use different color theme to tell them apart. So you can see the purple color represents the external guest user, the steel blue color represents the administrator, and then lime or olive green represents an internal user. So as you can see here, the change notification keeps coming in once the external user did something to the shared file or the shared folder. So that's all. We reviewed file sharing and folder sharing with external user and internal user. Thank you. Bye.